Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I made my little pngtuber character. So I hope you enjoy it. So for this, you're gonna need OBS, and you're also going to need, if I could focus on the name, I'm scared to mispronounce it. I think it's pngtuber mini. That's what you're gonna need for this tutorial. And let's get into it. To start off, you're gonna actually need your character. So here I have Corina, and over here, I have all her different expressions. Like here I have some closed eyes, and then I have the different mouths, if I can find them. And like the different mouths, like open and closed. And so I save an image of each of them, and I send them to my Gmail to get them onto my computer, since this is on my iPad. But if you do it, you can get it on your computer any way you need to, just as long as you get those 4 different images on your computer. So for this one, I'm going to add a new different expression for my character Karina. So this is the last one I added, which is crying, but this one I'm gonna make mischievous. So you're gonna need your closed mouth image, and you're gonna hit replace image. Then your files are gonna be up here. If I'm not wrong, my closed mouth and open eyes should be this one. Okay, that's right. And then I'm going to do my open eyes and open mouth. Should be my file right here. I can't see the files. Okay, yeah, there it is. Then closed eyes and closed mouth should be right here. All right, let's see. Okay, that worked. And now the last one is the closed eyes, open mouth. And there we go, we have a mischievous Karina, and it was in those very simple steps. I'm gonna keep the little effects on, but there's different effects you can add. Darken, jump, random move, and wave rotate. And then there's state shortcuts. Mine I already had saved as F3, so you can go to SAD by clicking one of my hotkeys for that one, and then go back to this one by using my hotkey. How you add a hotkey is I'm going to remove my shortcut for this. You hit assign shortcut, and then you're just going to want to press whatever button you want to be as the hotkey. And there you go. But wait a second, how do we actually get this into OBS? Well, that's not a problem. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to first want to go over to display settings, and it doesn't actually start on transparent. It starts on color, if I'm not wrong, and you want to move it over to transparent, so that way it'll be transparent. And then we're going to want to close this. Then we're going to want to open up our OBS. So let me go do that really quick. Boom. I removed my character from it so I can show you. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hit this plus right here. Now this is not a tutorial on how to use OBS, just how to add this thing. And then we're going to want to use game capture right here. And we're going to add a new game capture. And then we're going to do capture a specific window. The window is going to be pngtuber, and allow transparency. Okay, then we're going to hit OK and move the character to wherever we want them. I'm moving them into this little corner right here, changing their size up a bit. And there we go, now we have them there. I hope this tutorial helped you at least a little bit in trying to figure out how to get this pngtuber thing to work. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Can't guarantee I'm going to answer because I'm no pro, but I can try. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.